nonlinear optimizations via solver. It has a decent random number generator and large number of statistical functions. I firmly believe that financial analysts need a deeper understanding of statistics, probabilities, and statistical model building. A good knowledge of statistics and probability is also required if we want to move the standard curriculum beyond the sole normal distribution and cogently discuss many of the interest advances achieved over the past 30 years. Let's see how you guys doing over there. Awesome crowd, awesome crowd. Hi, what's up? What's up, Angie Hearts? What's up, Smooth Caddy? This is awesome. Having people actually show up to say hello is fantastic. On YouTube, I can't do that. There's only one person that ever shows up on the YouTube live streams, so I quit. The need to teach students to be proficient in statistics and modeling is not simply a question of learning the techniques. Important as it is, the challenge, and we're going to do a whole lot more stuff. This is not the only book that I'm reading today. I'm going to do some Italian, some French, wherever else appears that I've got here. So I do a lot of these live streams where I talk about finance, I talk about everything that you could possibly think of, and I do this often. So thanks for joining me, guys and gals and everybody. Where we get to. The challenge is for students to go beyond the techniques to develop an intuitive approach to the application of the techniques. Paul Seabright, 2012, professor of economics at the University of Toulouse, France, was referring to the education of economists when he wrote the following, but it is relevant also to students of finance today. The teaching of statistics needs to be embedded in an understanding of empirical equity or inquiry. What it is to do detective work on statistical data. This is hard to teach and must be done by example, and not just precept through collecting real data and trying to understand what the data show, and not just by reading a textbook. Sometimes it is as important to understand what should not be concluded from data as what can be. Not every published paper reporting a T statistic of 2 or more has in fact established what is claims and its abstract, for instance.